The Strange Claremont House. Welcome to the new project of 𝗧𝗵𝗲 Miniatures. Assembling the Claremont House. The model you see is printed without supports on an FDM printer. Its main parts are not glued, they are just placed so you can see how it is easily assembled. Let's start. This staircase will go up to the next piece, the attic floor. It is this piece that we are going to put in place. If we look at the part with the handrails already attached, we will see that it fits perfectly with the top rung of the ladder. This piece is the brackets, which surround the building and support the roof structure. We also place the main eave of the roof. In this space we are going to decide which fronty we put. We have two options. You can see the front that exists today and the original diamond-shaped front built by Colonel Hamilton Yancey, which is the one we are going to use. We remove the eave, and it's easy to put it back on again. This piece is important. It gives all the personality to the Claremont house. The roof. It is a complex piece composed of the mansards, the shingles and 3 brick chimneys. We simply place the roof in its position. And that's it. We can observe the large attic space, where we can put many figures for our games. Let's see the scale of the house with this dollar coin. To support the whole roof we need some beams. This is the piece. We are only going to leave the beams in their position and this whole floor will look more realistic. On the roof we mount the roof frame. Let's take a turn so you can see this spectacular diaphanous attic where you could shoot any hit series. In this octagonal space we are going to place the right cover of the roof. Are these two pieces that make up the small side tower. Everything in its place. My favorite piece. The spectacular central tower that gives the Claremont house its personality. I haven't glued it yet, so we can see its exploded view. It has these 5 parts that have been designed to give all the detail to the whole tower. Let's go around again so you can see the whole penthouse assembled. Let's close the building with this other piece. The roof. It is installed in a simple way guided by the support of the big chimney. To cover this access we have this trapdoor. This is the tallest piece of the Claremont house. The big brick chimney that could be attached to the roof. And finally we have finished the Claremont house. With all these separate pieces the miniature painting lovers will be able to paint all the details of the building with more precision and ease. For sure the final painted finish will be spectacular. Finally, we are going to place the exterior stairs of the building. This is the front staircase, with 2 planters where vegetation can be placed. Now the back staircase with brick finish. And now we can enjoy the Claremont house completely assembled. I hope you like it as much as I do. This is, without a doubt, my best work. But what would our friend Norman think of this building? I think he would also like it to set up a second Bates Motel in Georgia. But no, that's just not the right thing to do. Greetings to all and thank you very much for your attention. See you at Claremont House.